My name is Steve Hoinka. I am one of the project leads on 1UP Release 7.1, specifically around the area of ISCP. And we actually have engaged or started leveraging the Agile methodology in a couple of our work streams. One is the inventory optimization, and the other one is Air 1 Light for Canada. And we are starting to see tremendous benefits in doing so.
My name is Brian Gwynn. I'm part of the integrated supply chain team. We were one of the first projects to actually attempt to use this new Agile process, and thought this would be a great opportunity by it being a dashboard, something that was more interactive, that needed to have more iterations throughout the process. Thought this was a great methodology to do that.
Hey, I'm Craig Cornell. I work on the 1UP R7.1 inventory optimization team, and I'm the Scrum Master for that team, and we have gone to the Agile Scrum methodology.
I think really for us, the key benefits being such an interactive project, it allowed us to really get into the process. We could take some of the requirements instead of doing all those up front of all the individual teams trying to think up what they wanted for this project. The process gave us the opportunity to get started, get some information out to the teams, let them see what it looks like, let them touch and feel, and really from a waterfall perspective, that creates some challenges just based upon the process. Didn't really get it out to the teams fast enough. But by doing it Agile, it's every 2 weeks, you get new information, you get a new view, you get a new scorecard, and it's, hey teams, go out, take a look at this, and see what you like or dislike about it.
It really is, the methodology drives or fosters innovation. Because the sprints are short in nature, you're not talking about 6 months, 8 months, 18 months, teams are more likely and feel more comfortable taking risks, because if they do head down a path that isn't accepted by the business, it was 2, 3, 4 weeks worth of work, not 6 months, a year, 18 months worth of work. So it handcuffs them from that and enables them to go in directions that if you were in a waterfall methodology, you may never have even attempted to go down. So that innovation, I would say, probably is the biggest benefit or the most significant in terms of the product that eventually we end up delivering.
In a waterfall scenario, you're going through and you're have this whole stage of preparation work and blueprint work and design work and build work, where we're really doing all that in these smaller cycles. It's almost like you're doing mini waterfalls within each sprint cycle, but it actually gives you the opportunity to show something at the end of those couple of weeks.
The ability to make very, very quick corrections, which kind of ties into the whole innovation piece. But because the sprints are short in nature, the business gets an opportunity to see the result very, very quickly, and then can in a typical waterfall, would not even be able to envision or determine where we want to go with an end state product. The Scrum and Agile methodology gives you that ability to see it, and it spurs ideas that potentially you would not have thought of without being given the opportunity to see it originally, and make those quick corrections.
Definitely more productive, and I think one of the key factors in that is having that feedback from the business right away, that we can take direction from them, and that they want to change one way or another, we can get right on that and start making progress towards what they want.
Yeah, team communication, that's something I really enjoyed. I felt like this is one of the first projects where I really felt part of the BIS team. In the past, it was very much isolated. BIS would do their work, the business team would go do this work or do their work. But now with this current process, it's weekly communication, it's daily communication. I mean, we did several team lunches where we would go out. In the past, I don't think we would have ever done that. Also, I got numerous calls throughout the day to actually interact with the team. So very much during our 2-week sprints, each day or each hour, you would get a call and get a question that you could change direction or provide more guidance. So for me, the collaboration was very intense, very engaging, and very